Hello everyone, I hope you're well. Now this video is to quickly demonstrate how to top up water pressure into your combi boiler or any boiler that has an external filling loop connected to it. So when you look at your boiler and it's giving you a fault code or it's showing you the pressure is low within the boiler, what you want to look for is a flexi filling loop which looks something like this. It's normally directly underneath the boiler, as you can see, so that's the boiler location just there, and this flexi pipe that you see is just directly underneath it just there, as you can see. What we need to do is we need to use these valves, one there and one on the other side of the loop, filling loop. We need to open these two valves one after the other, doesn't matter in which order you open these. And then we need to observe the gauge in this boiler. As you can see, it's a digital gauge. So we need to observe to make sure that we don't overfill the heating circuit. Ideal pressure is around 1.5 bar in majority of these boilers. This is down to 1.1 bar. So what we will do is we will open these valves on the filling loop and we will insert the pressure into the system. And once it's reached around 1.5 bar, we will stop it. Okay, so we will just open this valve first. As you can see, it's in the opposite direction to the pipe itself or to the valve itself. So let's just open this one first. Okay, as you can see now it's in line with the pipe or with the valve itself. So now we have water coming from this valve and it's reaching this second valve here, as you can see. Okay. Now this valve, as you can see, is in down position. As soon as we open that valve, we should hear water going into the system, and we can also observe it on the screen there as well. So let's just open this valve. You can hear water going into the system. You can also see on the screen when it reaches around 1.5 bar. 1.5, let's close this valve. So we close this valve and we need to ensure we also close the second valve as well. Okay, now we have 1.5 bar pressure in the system. Both valves are closed on the filling loop. That's how you top up your water pressure in your boiler or your heating circuit using an external filling loop, which in majority of the cases you will find one of these loops on your boiler. Newer type boilers may have a built-in filling loop, but there's another video on my channel describing how to use one of those. And if you don't have a digital screen on your boiler like that for your water, you may have an analog gauge on the side or in the middle somewhere, but that's how you top up the water pressure. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a line in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Take care, bye for now.